Okay, I wrote a poem, y'all. I'm going to read it to you. I call this poem The Story of My Life. When I was just a little boy, I'd lay awake at night. I'd hear the trucks on Highway 5 shifting gears and taking flight. I felt a stirring deep within that I could not explain. It started at my feet and it ended in my brain. I'd stare outside the windows all day while I'm at school. I felt a pull to go somewhere. I would have to break the rules. There was something deep inside my bones. I felt a need to wander. Florida was calling me. I had to get down yonder. I packed a bag with things I'd need. I waited until night. By the time they'd find my empty bed, I'd be miles out of sight. I hitched a ride down Highway 5 and then to 91. I only had a general plan, but already having fun. Then I was on the 95, across the GW Bridge, New Jersey, Delaware, Maryland, and now I miss my fridge. Through the Carolinas, now Georgia's on my mind. Jacksonville, Daytona, and the beaches did I find. I bummed around for months there, sleeping where I may. No money, no home, no worries, but homelessness did weigh. I called my dad back home. I told him I was still alive. I asked him to sign a waiver to join the Army. I did strive. The Army was glad to have me. It was shortly after Nam. They needed meat and uniforms, even though the world was calm. I asked them if they'd send me somewhere nice and warm, and they assured me that they would. They sent me to Germany in a snowstorm. For 3 short years I traveled along the Autobahn. They taught me how to drive a truck, and to trucking I was drawn. Then they sent me stateside. They released me from the green. I bought a bike and grew my hair. I was the wildest you'd ever seen. I rode the Adirondacks. I rode the Berkshires too. I knew that I should get a job, but what? I had no clue. So I drifted to the deep south. You know I hate the cold. 12 months of biking weather. I thought that I'd found gold. It's 40 years later. I've traveled my whole life. 20 as a lonely trucker and 20 with my wife. Now we sit on the front porch. We wait there for the sun. I contemplate my life because I know I'm nearly done. I think about my wandering bones, my need for forward motion. Some may call it a curse, but have they seen all the oceans? I've lived the life that took its toll, and now I pay the piper. Days and weeks without good sleep behind the windshield wiper. You'd think that I would have enough. You'd think I'd be content. But that is not the way I choose. For someone else that's meant. The wind, it pulls the wrinkles out. The helmet hides my gray. Arthritic hands on clutch and throttle. I ride the years away. When my Creator calls me home, I say this with conviction. I'll thank Him for my wandering bones and my traveling addiction. That's the story of my life.